Beacons versus Gumroad. Which platform is actually better? Let's dive into the key differences so you can decide which one works best for you. Starting with Beacons. It's a link in bio platform designed for creators. Beacons allows you to share multiple links on social media, customize your page, and even collect payments. It's ideal for influencers who wants to promote several things at once, like product, services, or content across different platforms. It also offers tools like email capture and analytics to help you grow your audience. Now for Gumroad. Gumroad is built for selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or art. It's a one-stop shop for creators who need simple way to sell their work online. You can offer one-time purchases, subscriptions, and even pay what you want options. Gumroad handles all the payment processing so you can focus on creating. In terms of pricing, Beacon is free to start with paid plans for advanced features like more customization and removing branding. Gumroad charges a fee per transaction, so if you're selling a lot of products, those fees can add up. If you need a platform to promote multiple links and grow your social media presence, Beacons is a great fit. If you're focused on selling digital products and need a simple, reliable way to do it, Gumroad is your go-to. That's it. Now you know the differences between Beacons and Gumroad.